SS Claymont Victory was a Type C-2 Victory ship-based VC-2 SAP-2 troop transport built for the U.S. Army Transportation Corps late in World War II. Launched in November of 1944, it saw service in the European theater of operations during 1945 and in the immediate post-war period repatriating U.S. troops. After being briefly laid up in the U.S., Claymont Victory was purchased by Vereenigde Nederlandsche Scheepvaartmaatschapppij of the Netherlands and renamed Mariekerk. In 1966 she was sold to Kavo Compañia Naviera S.A. of Greece and renamed Kavo Longos. She was scrapped at Whampoa Dock, Hong Kong, in 1971. History. Construction and operation. SS Claymont Victory was laid down on September 25, 1944 as a U.S. Markham Type C-2 ship-based VC-2 SAP-2 hull by Bethlehem Fairfield Shipyard of Baltimore, Maryland. Launched on November 18, 1944, she was then converted into a dedicated troopship and delivered on December 15, 1944. She was operated on behalf of USIT by Eastern Steamship Lines. World War II. As a transport allocated to the U.S. Army, USIT Claymont Victory was crewed by United States Merchant Marines, protected by a contingent of the U.S. Naval Armed Guards, and had a complement of the U.S. Army Transportation Corps, Water Division, aboard for troop administration. SHE was armed with a 5-inch, 127mm stern gun for use against submarines and surface ships, a bow-mounted .350 caliber gun, and 820mm cannon for use against aircraft. Units transported. Units transported by the SS Claymont Victory include 289th Engineer Combat Battalion, which departed Antwerp, Belgium August 14, 1945, for deployment to the Pacific Theater in preparation for the invasion of Japan. The Claymont Victory was abreast the White Cliffs of Dover in the English Channel when the announcement of the Japanese surrender on VJ Day, August 15, was broadcast to all aboard. The transport was then rerouted to the United States and arrived at Boston, POE on August 28. 1269th Engineer Combat Battalion, August 1945. Post-war. After being briefly laid up in the U.S., SS Claymont Victory was purchased in 1947 by Vereenigde Nederlandsche Scheepvaartmaatschapppij, the United Netherlands Navigation Company, of The Hague and renamed Mariekerk. In 1966 she was sold to Kavo Compañia Naviera S.A. of Greece and registered in Monrovia as Kavo Longos. In 1971 she was scrapped at Whampoa Dock, Hong Kong. See also SS Maritime Victory, a similar VC-2 SAP-2 Victory ship conversion into a dedicated troopship. SS American Victory, a similar VC-2 SAP-2 vessel preserved as a museum ship. References